today is June 13th, Wednesday, June 13th, and we're at the construction site, and we're here standing in front of the track, the indoor track, and it looks like they're setting up for the masonry. A lot of things are happening. I understand they've been pouring a lot of cement, and we're going to go take a look today. This is the auditorium, and it looks like they are beginning to set the steel. And the masonry is completed for the most part. You see, they were working on that the last video I made. We're looking down the CTE hall. Okay, so it looks like the masons are putting up the masonry. We're in the foods room, and looks like they're starting to put up the insulation, and that's the fire protectant that we learned about last time. This is Kyle, and he's helping with the seismic. So can you talk to us about that really quick?
Yeah, it's just it just helps with earthquakes. It's supposed to cause the pipe not to fall. The seismic is this drainage pipe up here.
Oh, that
8-inch pipe.
kind of dark strapping looking
and all
thing?
it is those cables going to the ceiling. You see those out there?
Okay.
It's right.
Those 1/4-inch cables. That's seismic.
Okay, so the seismic are those cables right there.
Yeah.
Let me zoom in.
Seismic.
Right there.
It's generally this way for some.
This is a nice view of the tennis courts. And as you recall, last time they were getting ready to put up the fencing, and looks like they got a lot of it up. They're almost finished over there. And again, that curb and gutter looks nice. There's a view of the school with the windows all trimmed out. There's the big crane getting ready to lay all that steel in the auditorium. Things are coming along very nicely. All right, we're outside coming in, and here are the classrooms. They're getting a nice coat of paint, and the exterior walls have the sheetrock. I don't think my camera is going to pick it up very well. And they've been painting the block. It's pretty white. This looks very nice. Classrooms are getting done. Let's look down here. It's another classroom, all painted. Starting to look like a classroom now. Let's go down the hall. It's nice that we don't have to walk in the mud and the water anymore. This is going upstairs. Do you want to go up there? I just want to do a quick shot. Looks like they're getting some sheetrock up. Closing this in. Now we're upstairs. Things are getting finished nice. They haven't painted up here yet. It doesn't look like. Looks like they're getting ready. So the sheetrock's up in these upper classrooms, and they are ready to paint. There's another one across the hall. Oh, they've been sanding in here. You can see the haze.
Rub that off. We'll probably rub that off. How you doing? Good. A Facebook video.
Yeah.
Watch your Facebook.
You guys like being on Facebook? So do you know when they're scheduled to paint up here?
Yes, they have a crew. We'll get to them.
Wow.
I do that. Floors first. Move up to here.
Looks like they're getting everything cleaned up. Oh, look at all the paint. It's like this room, they're still getting ready to sheetrock. So what are we looking at up there?
Oh, just conduit.
There's so much that's hidden in the ceilings of these schools. Look at all that pipe. We're going to walk towards the commons area. Just projects going on everywhere. We're going to walk out towards the commons area. It's so nice they have the stairs done there. We're looking into the auditorium, the counseling, front office. It's a nice bird's eye view up here. Man, look how pretty this valley is. We're looking into the library, and they've been framing that, getting it ready for the sheetrock that will surround that. So down. Pretty. Okay, we're out here by the stadium, and this is new. It's the concessions. They're getting that all blocked. All the masons are working on that right now. That's pretty fun. That is such a phenomenal location right in the middle of all of the fun sport activities. A fantastic location. Okay, right now they are preparing this area. They're going to be pouring it, we think, next week. And they're compacting the soil, getting ready for the fencing there.
And that concludes this construction video.